Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful wall hanging. So let's get started. I am using a 4mm crochet hook for this project and this plastic ring, and I am using 2 strands of 3-ply cotton yarn together. So make a slip knot first, and then we would join this yarn to this plastic ring. Just join this yarn by pulling the yarn through this slip stitch space, and then we would just start making single crochets onto this ring. Go from upside and draw a loop from the back side, and then pull the yarn through the 2 loops which are on our hook. So this is our single crochet stitch. In start, it will be a little bit difficult to make a single crochet on this large plastic ring, because it will slip from hands. So just make a strong grip on the plastic ring and then make single crochets on all of the ring. So I have just completed this single crochet stitch on all of the ring, and now the ring is fully covered with yarn. Now to finish this round properly, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Then we would start our second round. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this second single crochet stitch here, and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 first and then through other 2. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now go into the third single crochet stitch and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Then go into the fourth single crochet stitch of the first round and make a double crochet in it. Our single crochet row will be tight, so we would feel yarn tension in the second row. While pulling the loop for the double crochet stitch, like you can see, I am feeling yarn tension. So just make double crochets in each of the single crochet stitch of the first round. So make double crochet in each of the single crochet stitch across and complete this round. So I have just made all of the double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain to finish this round, and we would make our last round now for this wall hanging, which will be of double crochet stitch again as the second one. So make 3 chains and then go into the second double crochet stitch here, which is the first one after chain 3. Make a double crochet in this stitch, then go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it, then go into the next one and make a double crochet, and in this way we would just make double crochet stitches in each of the double crochet stitch of the second round. As in the second round we have made double crochets in each of the single crochet stitch, and into the third round we would make double crochets in each of the double crochet stitch of second round. We would not make any increase or decrease in any of these rounds, so just complete these double crochet stitches. I have just completed my double crochet stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now just weave these yarn ends at the back side of our wall hanging with the help of a tapestry needle or yarn needle. So just take this yarn at the back side of our wall hanging and make a knot with the help of needle like this. This will just secure the work and the stitches would not get loose this way. And now just pull the yarn needle through some backside stitches and then we would just cut the extra yarn strands after weaving them. So just cut them with the help of cutter. And our base for the wall hanging is ready. Now we would make these flowers. For the flower I am working with a smaller sized 5mm crochet hook because I would work with a single yarn strand. So make a slip knot by leaving approximately 10 to 12 inches long yarn tail. Then make 4 chains and make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and we would just work into this ring. So make chain 1, make a single crochet into the ring, then make single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7, single crochet 8, single crochet 9, then make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch, make chain 1 and make a single crochet into the very first single crochet stitch where we have made a slip stitch, then make a single crochet into the next, into the same single crochet stitch, then into the next one make 2 single crochet stitches, then into the third one make 2 single crochet stitches. So in this round we would just make 2 single crochets in each of the single crochet stitch of the first round. So I have made 2 single crochets in each of the single crochet stitch of the first round, and now we would just change the color here. I am using white color yarn, so make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch with this white color yarn. And now we would start working. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times. Go into the same single crochet stitch and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then through other 2, and then into the remaining 2. Pull the yarn. This is our treble crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times. Go into the second single crochet stitch and make a treble crochet by pulling the yarn through 2 loops 3 times. Make the same treble crochet stitch into the same single crochet stitch. Then go into the third single crochet stitch and make a treble crochet into it. Then make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the same single crochet stitch where we have made our treble crochet. Now make a slip stitch into the next single crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3 for the second petal. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times and into the same single crochet stitch where we have made a slip stitch, we would make a treble crochet stitch. Then make 2 treble crochet stitches into the next single crochet stitch. Then into the next single crochet stitch make a treble crochet, then make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the same single crochet stitch where we have made our treble crochet stitch. And now 2 petals are ready. Just cut these yarn ends and remove them. And make remaining petals in the same way. So I have made these 6 petals. Now make a slip stitch and pull the yarn, then just cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now make the petals straight with the help of fingers and just weave this white yarn strand at the back side of flower. So just pull the yarn needle through some backside stitches of petal and cut it, and our flower is ready. Now we would just join this flower on our base of wall hanging. So just join it with the help of this needle. Take this needle upward and join a bead also. Now in this way we would join bead and flower to this wall hanging. Pull the yarn needle through bead 2 to 3 times and just make the bead tight by pulling the yarn, and in this way we would just join this flower and a bead to our wall hanging. So I have just joined this flower and bead and I have woven the yarn strand. So in this way just join these flowers to our wall hanging all around. Now we would just make a chain strand to hang this wall hanging decoration also. So for this purpose, take this yarn strand and make chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9. In this way make more chains. So I have made some chains. Now we would just join this by making a slip stitch onto any of the double crochet stitch and then just pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now just take the other side of chain take them at the back side and just weave them. First of all, we would just make some knots to secure the work. So just make 2 knots and weave them. I have just woven the yarn ends and joined all of the flower to this wall hanging. I hope you like this wall hanging design. You can just add tassels with beads on the other side of wall hanging if you want. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.